Introducing the 2024 Peugeot 408, Allure 1.2, 130 automatic 6 in sleek grey. This hatchback is packed with features to enhance your driving experience, from air conditioning to satellite navigation. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. The luxury trim and spoiler add a touch of style, while the stop and start system ensures efficiency. Plus, with a comprehensive warranty and full health and safety check, you can drive with peace of mind. Visit joenorrismotors.ie or call us today to learn more about this incredible vehicle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive away in luxury